Good morning. It's Wednesday morning, and we have a snow day. Whoop whoop! And here are the plans for the day. Sleep in. Hope you got to do that. If you didn't, I posted last night's adjective worksheet at 9 o'clock. Sorry it's so late. Took me 3 tries to get it right. So go do that if you haven't done that. Practice, make sure you give your lines for tomorrow night a run through. I'm about to post, this podcast is for an adjective worksheet number 2 that I'll show you. It only has 5 problems, shouldn't take you very long. If you finish taking notes, you could get, and you haven't finished your traverse des Sioux paragraph, that would be an excellent thing to do today. And then finally, great day to do some power reading with your IRB. So let's take a look at that pesky adjective worksheet and get that bad boy going. So here's the adjective worksheet. Okay, it says worksheet number 2. And it says fill in the blanks with the correct words. So when we're hunting for adjectives, we're trying to tell if a word's an adjective, what words do we use to try and pick them out? And if you would remember from our worksheet yesterday, we are going to be writing, so I'm going to make this bigger so I don't write all over the place. So I'm going to write what kind how many, sorry about my sketchy penmanship here, and the final one is which one. Okay, so part 2 here. Oops. Gotta turn off the pen there for a minute. All right, part 2 here says directions for part 2. Identify the following parts of speech in each sentence. Underline the subject, make the verb green, prepositional phrases are in red, infinitives can be purple, and adjectives are blue. Then it's got an example sentence there, so let's take a look at that example sentence. And I'm going to make it a little bit bigger here so you can see as I work. So it says the angry student fed his vocabulary book into the shredder. Gosh, so the first thing I'm going to look for is a subject. I think student is the subject. So I'm going to underline that. Whoops, did I underline it? Nope, I did not. There we go, underlined, check. Okay, the next thing is make the verb green. Well, what did the student do? He fed. Okay, so I'm going to make that green. Color green there. Prepositional phrases. Now, if you have your planner, you can look at page 115 in your planner for prepositional phrases. But I'm pretty sure into the shredder is a prepositional phrase. Shredder is a noun at the end of that phrase, but into is definitely a preposition. So that's red, okay. Infinitives. Okay, now infinitives are the word to plus a verb. I don't think we have any infinitives in this. Not a very good example, Mr. Rice. And then adjectives would be blue. So I'm going to go to blue here. Angry describes student. So if I go up, or I go back to the part we wrote in, it would tell me what kind of student. It's an angry student, so we're going to make that blue. And let's see, and then vocabulary also answers the what kind part. So we're going to color that. So it tells us what kind of book it is. All right, so that's how you do that. Please do it to the sentences below here. That's your assignment. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. Otherwise, have a great day.